Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic7 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top right side of the screen. Just get through this. So right side, cool, I got it. And this will show you a bunch of toggles. Now right here in this area, you want to swipe down once more, and this will extend the list of toggles. And obviously we're looking for the screen recording one, which for me it is right over here. So once you see it, you can just simply tap on it, and then I'm going to select while using the app. Okay. I'm going to turn off the microphone, and from here you can just open up any kind of application that you want. I have not connected to network, so one of those won't actually work right now, but in any case, still can kind of showcase this. Come on. Would you like to go? Come on, I want to play. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was quick. Anyway, now we can just stop this. Now what I was recording, which is the Chrome, this will have no problem being recorded, but there are applications that come with DRM protection, like Netflix, which for a bunch of phones it actually comes pre-installed, and Netflix has the option to just straight up block your screen recorder from being able to see the screen without your explicit permission to ever do so, even if you haven't agreed to the terms of service, which I consider to be an absolute corporate bullshit, that any company can just mess around on your phone without your permission, considering it's your phone and this garbage comes pre-installed on your phone. So in those cases, like Netflix, which blatantly, in my opinion, intrudes on your personal property by doing whatever it wants, I recommend checking out CloudStream. You can thank me later. That is a great alternative that is free to Netflix, and you Netflix for doing so. And guess what? On top of that, it doesn't have DRM protection. Anyway, now let's go into our Photos application. If I can actually find it. Nope, not here. Oh, there it is. There's this icon right over here. Okay, so you can see my screen recording right over here. So this is one way of finding your recordings. This is obviously viable if you have just recorded it, but later on it will be much simpler to go into albums, and in albums you will find screenshots. And that's also where your screen recordings are located. This will be the best way to locate your screen recordings. It will be mixed up with screenshots as well, but it's still a much simpler way of finding your screen recordings. So you can see it already playing back right now. I'm gonna skip forward a little bit. So there we go, you can see it's working. Though there is no sound for it, so in the settings by default it looks like it's not recording the sound, or is it? Wait. Yep, I don't hear the sound, even though I did enable it right now. So that is something that you might want to change in the settings. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.